probably going to need to pick up at least 3 tons.
For the first shot?
Yeah.
Do you think I'm only going to go? You think I'm only going to go once?
No, I think you're going to. Oh, well, maybe. I don't know. I can measure it and then see. We might not even need to. I don't know how. Like, I know how far.
You want to prep both and then do both?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Well, I want Ricky to be here with the roller.
Yes.
I don't want to start if the roller's not here.
No. Asphalt comes whenever.
Yeah. I don't want to be fucking.
Yep.
I was hoping to get the S70 and the asphalt in there, but I don't think that's happening. I want to get that other asphalt out of here while we're here.
You should be able to.
No, it's gonna be at least that much.
That
one's bigger, yeah. I don't think it's twice. I think this one may actually be bigger, but I think that one's still got a substantial amount. I'll let you get the big piece, Kyle. I'm gonna hook this bin and pull out of here. Then I want you to pull here, and then Kyle can just scoop what we need out of the bag. We don't have to dump it and make a mess. Kyle, I'm gonna pick up this bin, and then Bill's gonna pull here, and you can just scoop what we need out of the bag so we don't make a mess dumping. Billy! Bill! Bill! Can you grab that broom off the bin? Thanks. Get this bin out of here, and then we'll put it down at the next hole. Today, I wish this truck had fucking air conditioning, but the only person to blame for it to not have air conditioning is me, so I guess I can't get that angry about it. the other truck around. We'll get it prepped up. It's almost like we knew what we were doing, Kyle.
Buffet.
Air conditioning. Buffet.
Buffet.
Bill, you found a use for that. You found a use for that. Are the keys in that? I don't think I'll fit after Billy was sitting here. See, no, that one didn't work. All right, so I guess these ones do not work for me. Oh, here we go.
Short guy driving that truck, eh? Everything's all pushed
I know,
up.
I gotta fucking move it. I'm sure Steve suffers the same fucking problem.
Well, I did have it set on number 2 for me, but they changed it up.
I just pushed number 2 because I was like, fuck, I'll push 2. Maybe it'll move back far enough.
Yeah, that's the one I used to
Where's
do.
number? What do you mean 2?
On the door, there's a 1 and a 2.
Okay, yeah, that's what that's for.
I know what I'm gonna do now.
Yeah, somebody fucked it 'cause I had number 2 set for me.
Because that one, if you get in that one and you push 1, it goes to me.
Okay.
If I go to getting Kelly's,
Yeah.
yeah. If I go to getting Kelly's though, I push 2 and then it moves to me.
That's awesome.
Yeah. That's what those numbers are, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause I've seen a video, I'm pretty sure it's fake, and it was just reviews, but the girl goes in to get drinks or something, and her husband pushes the seat right up like this against the steering wheel. Then she gets in, and as she starts the truck, it pushes it
Yeah,
and all
he's
the
cool.
drinks just explode in front of her. She's like, what the hell's going on?
Gets on the car and
I'm gonna get out and it's gonna be like this.
don't worry about sprinkling, just drop it, man.
Then it'll go back to
There's
normal.
4 guys here, we can fucking rake it out. Not a problem, just drop it.
You got more than one rake out?